Humans are social creatures. Since birth, humans are not alone, but live in harmony with their families, societies, and surrounding environments. Just as humans need food, clothing, and education to survive in society, they also need a safe and beautiful place to live. A house is not just a place to rest. It is a symbol of human security, comfort, love, and family ties. Therefore, every human being has a dream in their mind, to build their own beautiful home. A beautiful home brings peace of mind to people's lives. When someone returns to their home after a tiring day, the atmosphere, decor, and comfort of that home soothes their mind. A neat and tidy home is not only visually appealing, it also makes people's mental state positive. A beautiful and comfortable home also plays a significant role in strengthening love and relationships among family members. But the reality is that building a beautiful home is not that easy. It requires a lot of money, planning, and time. Nowadays, due to the increase in land prices, the increase in construction materials, and the increase in labor costs, building a home has become difficult for the common man. This dream is often impossible to realize, especially for the middle and lower class people. They struggle to meet their needs at the end of the day, and raising a large sum of money to build a house is a big challenge.
Many people work hard throughout their lives just to fulfill their dream of a small house. Some save for years, while others try to build a house by taking a loan from the bank. But due to the burden of debt, installment pressure, and uncertain income, many cannot fulfill that dream. As a result, they are forced to live in a rented house, which further increases their mental and financial stress. However, despite limited capabilities, it is possible to build a beautiful house by adopting some strategies. For example, using small space properly, reducing unnecessary expenses, building a house step by step, etc. In modern times, new methods and technologies have come to build houses at a much lower cost, which shows some hope for the common people. In addition, it is possible to build a neat and beautiful house at a low cost by adopting a minimalist lifestyle. The beauty of a house does not depend only on its size or expensive furniture. Rather, its beauty depends on its tidy environment, proper management, and the love of the family members. Even a very small house can be very beautiful and comfortable if it is decorated properly and the people living there are happy.
There is also a difference between houses in the village and in the city. Although the cost of building a house in the city is high, the facilities are more. On the other hand, in the village, it is possible to build a house in a large area at a low cost, but the modern facilities may be somewhat less. Therefore, people decide according to their needs and capabilities where and how to build a house. Finally, it can be said that a beautiful house is an important dream of a person's life. However, to fulfill this dream, relying only on money will not work. Proper planning, patience, and awareness are required. Because a house is not just a brick and stone structure, it is the center of happiness, peace, and love of a family. So, no matter how big or small, a house becomes truly beautiful only when the people living there can live happily and peacefully.
If you want to see more new videos, please like and subscribe to the channel.